Today we're going to experiment.
So we have some food coloring.
Some food coloring, some milk, some soap, and some ear sticks.
Yeah, so actually cotton buds, but we can call it ear sticks. Okay, so what we do first is we put in some milk. Okay.
Put in some milk.
Okay. Then we put in some food coloring, but little drops of it, eh? Okay, a little drop there. Okay, and a little drop there. Okay, then close it. Then we take an earbud. Okay, wait, put it in soap. Put some soap on it. Okay, now.
You see, the soap breaks it open.
Yeah, so we're changing the properties of the milk. So the milk looks like it's running. Look there. So keep on doing it, the milk is gonna, see there. What? That's cool. So keep it there.
You see, the other thing push out the other thing. The soap pushes off the food coloring. So that is the experiment we're going to do.
So this is called a color burst. So put it here.
This is called color burst.
Okay, so the soap makes it run.
The soap makes it run.
Okay, so what do you do to make it even cooler is put some soap in.
Put some soap in.
Not too much, not too much.
Look there. The soap pushes off.
Okay, put some soap on this side.
If I put the soap on, look there.
Okay, stop.
Food coloring is eigenlijk zoet. So, this is what we're gonna do.
Say cool. Thanks. Bye.
So thanks.